What up, everybody? Back with Peyton and John here. You can see we built a little fire here. It's been a little bit, and we have some fishing poles in the water, and so we're just having fun out here. So we have what we're using. I'm using these Powerbait power eggs.
I'm using the crappie nibbles.
And John is using these crappie nibbles. So
They're both Powerbait.
they're both Powerbait. Okay, I thought you just had a bite because your pole fell down. I guess we have some, because I'm seeing some movement in the water. So
I am too.
I think we'll probably catch something. Hopefully.
Last time I fished out here, I caught 3 fish, 2 red ear and a crappie, a catfish.
Yep.
So
And what we have in here, I believe my dad stocked about 250 catfish probably in total. 300 catfish in total in this pond. And he's about 200 red ear. And has he put perch in there? Can't remember. So red ear, catfish, and like a whole bunch of minnows. So yeah, we're just out here having fun. All right, everybody. Thank y'all for watching. We're about to pack it up. It's gonna be really dark if we keep filming. So we thank y'all for watching this, and we can't wait to see y'all again.